in your magic. When I fall to pieces, fades into the wind, and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion.
I, Brianna, take you, Preston, to be my husband.
The heaven to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse, for richer, for poor.
In sickness and health.
To love and to cherish, forsaking all others, so long as we both shall live.
By the authority committed unto me as a minister of the gospel, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Preston, you may kiss your bride. Every time I see you, I just want